Hi. In previous videos, you could see the INVENTO S110 and INVENTO S120. In today's video, I'd like to briefly compare them. The main difference between the stations is that the INVENTO S110 is designed to work exclusively with the R134A refrigerant. The INVENTO S120 is available in two versions, one for working with R134A and one for YF refrigerant. The INVENTO S110 is a semi-automatic station. The S120 is a fully automated device, and what you also notice right away is that the INVENTO S120 has a 7-inch touchscreen, while the INVENTO S110 has a color LCD screen operated with a joystick. Additionally, besides the fully automatic mode, the INVENTO S120 also has a manual function, so you can select each stage of the process individually. And what's very important, the INVENTO S120 also has a printer for printing reports. The stations differ in the number of oil bottles. The INVENTO S120 has an extra bottle for POE oil. They also differ in how the oil is dispensed. The S120 has electronic scales, and the oil is dispensed automatically, while the INVENTO S110 dispenses oil manually. A very big and important advantage, the INVENTO S120 has a complete and very extensive database,